Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Now it's your girl Stacy.C. So in this video, I'm just going to put on this headband wig. So first, I'm parting out the front. The back of my head is actually in some cornrows already, so I'm just going to put two big plait in the front, as you guys seen me doing right here. And guys, I know that I don't post as often as I should, but please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And guys, guess what? We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. We're just one step away from 1,000 subscribers, and my views are not that good, so my watch hour is not up. So all the person who were thinking that I am making money from the content, I am not. So I'm asking you guys to watch this video, comment, share, like, and subscribe. Okay, so I finished putting the two braids in the front. Now I'm going to use the edge control or the Ocean, whichever one you call it, to just lay down my flyaways and whatnot in my head. Then I just use this airbrush to brush them back. After I'm finished brushing the hair, I just use my head brush to put some edges in the front of my hair. After which I use the Eco Style gel to put over the edge control to give it a better hold. Then after placing the Eco Gel, I use my Got To Be spray and spray over it, so you know, to help keep the hair for much longer. Probably.